So in the middle of our process, we have the e-commerce detour. So if you're not building an e-commerce site, you can skip this video and go right on to the next one. In the e-commerce offshoot, it's actually kind of like doing content definition and technical road mapping again, but this time it has all the specifics of e-commerce. So a lot of times really we'll layer this in so it happens as part of those phases, but I wanted to talk about it separately because it's not applicable to every project. So when we're talking about content definition and technical road mapping through the lens of e-commerce, we're talking about things like, is your inventory control going to be managed by the website, or is that being handled by another system? Or perhaps you're selling digital goods and inventory control is irrelevant. We're looking at what payment methods you're going to use and how we're going to calculate and charge taxes, what shipping methods you'll use if you're using shipping at all, how we're going to structure the products. Is it a single product with variations? So that's like a t-shirt that comes in different colors, or are they completely different products? Also, add-ons to products. Maybe it's a, gosh, I'm drawing a blank on what a good product add-on might be. But you know how it goes. You add something in the cart, it says, do you want this with it? Or maybe you need to select options for it. It's all things we're going to cover. Product categories. How is that going to help your users search through your inventory and find what they're looking for? And the difference between categories and tags. That's a fun one. We'll talk about that in person. Also, upsells and cross-sells and related products and third-party integrations. You know, chances are you need to pull some data out of your store and integrate with something like QuickBooks for your accounting, or a CRM for following up with your customers and keeping your salespeople roped in. So if we are doing an e-commerce project, there is a whole nother set of questions and checklists that we go through in the process to make sure that we are getting the proper content definition and technical road mapping for that added functionality as part of the flow.